We're about to get into the dip. Let's start with the man's perspective. Make sure to end the previous part standing on your left leg. Then bend your left knee, reach with the right leg to the side without shifting your weight at that point. Then push off the left leg, shift your weight to the right leg, right knee is bent right away, keep your back straight, direct your hips forward and tilt your upper body to the right side, looking at the lady. Push off the right leg, shift your weight to the left one again, but keep your upper body and head to the lady. There is a little pause here. Now the dip from the lady's perspective, make sure to end the previous part standing on your left leg, then bend your left knee and reach with the right leg backward, pushing off the left leg, shift your weight to the right one. Notice that your right knee should be bent right away, left leg is straight and in front of you. Then direct your hips forward and up, tilting your upper body and head backward, looking at the man. Then push off the right leg, getting back to the left one and out of the pose. Let's show this from the opposite side. Bend your knees, shift your weight, tilt, push off the leg and out of the pose. There is one more very important information. Even though your position is very comfortable because you're wrapped in your hands, avoid leaning on the man too much and pulling him with you. Try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Let's go back to our proper direction and we're going to count the dip. We've ended on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.